With an international team, we are studying the computational neuroscience of complex skill learning. Using MOBI capabilities developed at SCCN, we are describing the neural and behavioral dynamics of juggling. Researchers at SCCN received an NSF grant to work with international partners from Japan, expanding a paradigm developed by Scott and Hiroyuki. The first aim of the project is to develop a neurobehavioral model of juggling skill, dividing behavior and brain activity measured in the MOBI lab using EEG, motion capture, and video. Here's an example of data collected in our initial pilot experiment. The MOBI capability gives us a very rich description of behavior, allowing us to define the trajectories of ball in gray and hands. This enables us to describe the details of sequence timing that correlate with juggling skill and define brain dynamics, where we have found components corresponding to the major motor and perceptual events in the juggling cycle. A novel finding is narrowband activity in somatomotor cortex that corresponds closely to catching events of left and right hands. With many complex motor skills, one can accelerate learning by in fact slowing down the training. But what about juggling? At least here on Earth, it's not possible to slow down juggling. But what if, instead, we were able to take our juggling experiment to the moon? Our colleagues in Japan have developed a device called Spider, which is a haptic 3D input device that can simulate the throwing and catching of balls. Together with virtual reality, we've created a simulation of juggling on the moon. The simulated reduced gravity greatly slows down the trajectory of balls, making it easier to learn. And the second aim is to test the benefit of this slow tempo training using our visual haptic VR.